Alright guys, so thank you guys for tuning in for another video. Just want to show you guys the mask again. I have more of these coming, and just to let you guys know, we have 3 new things I think that have been in the works lately that I've been working on kind of behind the scenes, which is new merchandise for the shop. We're gonna have a whole bunch of cool designs. Our website is going to launch officially, so we cleaned it up and put a lot of work. So shout out to our brother Gio for modifying it and getting it all type of hooked up for you guys. And the third one is some more remodeling at the shop. So we've been busy. Can't thank you guys enough for keeping us really busy. And it's been a while since I've actually let a YouTube vlog out. Been kind of doing a lot of things behind the scenes. So, and on top of that, I'm building up a gaming PC. So if you guys want to follow me on Twitch, YouTube, and all that other cool stuff, you guys can game with me. I'm on Game Stream, Madden, and Call of Duty, your very basics and stuff like that, and connect with you guys a little bit more on that. So those are things that are to come in the up and coming weeks to get along with. But today's main video is we're gonna add a new seibon front lip to the Supra. Now the lip took forever to come, which is why we haven't done it, and it finally landed today. And I haven't really done anything to the cars really ever since the Evo got all the love for the most part. And if you guys haven't watched the video about that, make sure you guys go check that out, and the true meaning behind the shop colors and things like that. Make sure you guys stay up to date. I know I'm saying a lot, it's crazy, but I haven't done this vlogging stuff in a minute, so let's go ahead and do a little walk around of the Supra, give you guys that so you guys know exactly how the lip's gonna look on it, and go from there. Alright guys, so we got the seibon carbon fiber lip ready for the Supra. I can't wait to install it. It's going to make the car look so much better. I don't know what wheel setup. I still need to pick some wheels for it, but I do like the way the wheels go with the car, so it doesn't bug me as much. But I do definitely plan on throwing one onto it. You guys can see a side frame. I do need to add some like side skirt stuff, I think, later when I get the wheels set up, but for now we're going to unravel and take this setup to the back and get the front lip on. So this will be the last time. I still need to get a paint and stem removal guy out here to take the dent out of the hood or replace it with the carbon fiber hood. But I'm super excited about it, so stay tuned. So to keep you guys updated, we're gonna add the APR side mirrors to the GTR probably tomorrow. But shout out to my boys Upscale Detailing for keeping all the cars clean. The GTR got washed up, the Evo got washed up, and the Supras got washed up, so they're totally mint and clean. I need to change the tire setup on the Evo because I don't like the way they look too skinny. I only dropped those on there just for temporary fill, but I definitely need to change that setup too and get these cars tuned up already. I know I'm lagging, but it's so hard to get out of the shop and to really take these cars any places or to have time to do any of that stuff. But seibon carbon fiber wing, if you guys want an APR wing carbon fiber, make sure you guys hit us up for that too, or anything you guys see on these cars that I put together, we can definitely get you. So make sure you guys go ahead and do that. Follow us on all the social medias if you guys haven't already. Check out the Type R van and Chris's SI. Chris is going to add an intercooler to his SI coming up soon, so that'll be on there. But look at Clay's van, and we move on from there. So let's get it. So this is the last walk around. Last time you see the front end like this, at least while the lip's on, and it's going to look so much cleaner. So let's get it. So here's a brief little update for everybody. If you guys were staying up to date with the channel and you guys saw all the remodel going along with the shop, you guys saw that we were basically expanding the whole showroom. We used to have it all racked up crazy, but now we extended all the racks to the back. And now this allows us to extend it. We added another rack there. We added more along the wall here and a racking along in the back. So we kind of been moving things around and expanded it to make it bigger inside of here. So when you guys are shopping, you guys don't feel crammed in. You guys can see all the cool stuff in the showcases, and everything is brought to you guys right up. So when you guys come pick up, you guys have a lot of room. And there's definitely other cool products and stuff we're definitely displaying and getting in from time to time. So if you guys haven't followed us on social media, make sure you guys go ahead and do that. That way you guys stay up to date with all the new like sales, things, and items in stock, and it's a faster way to reach, you know, and get a hold of us fairly easy. This is tired. Yeah. So just so you guys know, we have coilovers, True Heart, D2 Tane, Function Form, LED kits, and almost every single bulb, every single bulb that they make. So your regular standard kits, your switchback kits, your RGB kits, we have all that type of cool stuff. Intake systems, DC Sports, Takeda engine, PRL, and more. Most of the popular cars are all in stock. You guys can also get you guys' Tomeis here. All their popular products. Oh man, I'm running out of breath and fat. Chris is laughing because I'm not 95 pounds anymore. Chris.
I am.
Chris is 95 pounds wet with rocks in his pocket. But let's go to the back. Oh, as soon as we open the door, we bust Gio right out the movement.
What up?
Some coilovers. So right now we're checking it in, getting everything kind of put away. got the music playing. We're gonna re-rack it and reorganize. Today's beautiful beauty just chilling right there. And we're gonna basically expand some more of this stuff and get all this stuff moved out. And we got some more racks coming, which are gonna mount here and here, and the car's gonna sink under, which can look so much better along with everything else. But we're on the grind every single day, Monday to Saturday, 9 to 7. So we're out here getting it.
We got Drew's Supra carbon piece today. He's about to open a little shabangi.
A little something like. Damn! That wrapping looks hard.
Christmas in August.
If you guys want to find out how it looks, you guys gotta subscribe to my OnlyFans.
Subscribe to his OnlyFans.
Everyone's starting an OnlyFans.
15 a month.
15 a month. To see the most ass-trapping carbon fiber you ever saw in your life.
You ever heard of a rocket bunny?
And Clay said we're going to start an investment company, and instead of Shark Tank, it's going to be called Fish Tank.
Why is this thing still here?
Something called guppies.
How is it still here?
Let's see what we got.
God damn! Look at that beautiful, beautiful carbon piece right there, though. Hey, check that out, bro. Look at that shit.
Dope.
Check it out. Damn, bro!
Straight heat.
Yeah, looks good, bro.
I'll show you that shit. Yeah. How you feeling, Drew?
That's good. That's not bad.
It's hard out. It's gonna make the car look so much lower.
We're about to find out.
Pal. Now, one thing I like about seibon a lot is not only the actual texture and the way it is set up from them directly, but the fitment 9 out of 10 times fits really, really well. So I'm not really too nervous about installing this. So that's actually quite of a big deal when you buy parts like this, especially when you spend a high amount of money.
Cost for a guy to buy one?
If you wanted to buy one of these, averagely, I would say they're about $850. $850 for this carbon fiber lip if you're looking for one. If you guys want any kind of carbon fiber products, you guys can hit us up. We can send you guys a link. You guys can also finance it, and as long as you pay off the finance in the same time you borrowed it in 100 days, you pay absolutely no interest. You only pay back what you borrow. Super simple. As long as you're over 18, you can apply. Get all your guys' carbon fiber parts. If you guys want the links to see what we sell and what we get for your car, hit us up on Instagram. We also added a little bit of carbon fiber love to the key ring. Just something light, you know, to keep the carbon fiber rolling. Can never have too much carbon fiber. Man, it is roasting outside. So I'm gonna show you guys also as well. Hopefully today we can install the carbon fiber paddle shifters, which are right here, to replace these ones out with carbon fiber pieces. If I can later today, I'll do that. If not, I'll make that a whole other separate video for anybody else trying to do that as well. So first things first is we got to start off with the removal of the old original one to get this seibon carbon fiber one on attached. So we got to start with first things first, hit that off and say see you later. All right, everybody say hello, so Josecito. Oh, fuck. Dude, no way.
Why would you put that there, huh?
Why would you fall over it?
Why would you put that there?
Come on, bro. This guy beat you in Call of Duty, you gotta ruin my lip. We got the works. Just kidding, guys. We're gonna start with the removal process first. And you guys can see it's already kind of dinged up, and I definitely didn't know how to hit the low life when I first lowered it, so I definitely murked it up. So I gotta be very, very careful now that I have carbon fiber on there, but we'll make it work. Can we talk about how beautiful this Remark exhaust setup looks? Look at how beautiful that looks on the bottom of this thing. This exhaust is just tremendously, like, I love it so much. Opens and closes, it sounds, it gives a beautiful noise, and I just highly recommend it. If you guys want one or anything Remark product, make sure you guys hit me up, I got you guys. So first line of business is to get the old one off, which is what we're doing right now. It's not even work, because everyone gets mad when I say that. It's what he's doing right now. And we're at the middle piece already. As you guys can see, that's how it looks. If you guys ever wonder what it looked like without it, now you know. Alright guys, so now that the lip is removed, there's a bunch of dust and a bunch of dirt and a bunch of rocks and shit that's all over inside of it that we're gonna go ahead and clean up before we install the new one. but we're making progress. Almost time to line it up, so let's get it. Alright guys, so I'm proud to announce to you guys that today's video is sponsored by Coke. And if Coke, you guys are seeing this, please send me some because I always go through them every day. Now back into the video. Alright guys, so now that Coke has officially sponsored us, I just want to thank everybody that's been here from day one, all the support, and yeah, we're not there yet. Time to mock up the lip for the first time ever to see how it looks. This is our first time installing the lip, so taking off the old one was just a little bit annoying because it had all those inner clips. So if you guys are ever doing this, it has a bunch of hidden clips behind it. I would suggest doing it with two people, one person from behind here and one kind of pushing it from the back. That'll make it come off a lot easier, but right now we're gonna go ahead and grab the lip, mock it up. I want to thank my mom and my dad and my brother and my sister just believing me. Little lineup for it before we actually install the hardware. Now it makes the end widgets a lot bigger, and then it also makes it a lot lower, so we're going to definitely have to show the street some more respect. So we are low on the ground now. We're going to lock up that side and then get this baby back there. Tell me that doesn't look way better. Look at that front end right there. Sheesh. Look at that. Now we're about to hit the sun, boys. Damn. Hell of a lot better right there. Just like that, a little lip. So day one's mission is accomplished. Supra front lip just looks super amazing. I love the way it looks. Now I need to add some more stuff, and definitely, like I said, the wheel setup. And tomorrow's mission is to get those paddle shifters on. I definitely love the look. It definitely helps, and it changes the whole thing in the front, so pretty excited. Alright guys, so just like that, it concludes today's video. So if you guys like the video, make sure you guys do all the YouTube stuff for me. You know, like it, comment, all that cool stuff, share it, everything like that. It does go a long way. So in part 2 of today's video, we're gonna go head over to Best Buy right now to grab our gaming setup and have all that stuff so we can stream for you tonight on YouTube and Twitch, and I'll post more about that on Instagram, more of the social medias. If you guys haven't followed us on that just yet, go ahead and do that because I'll be posting more about it if you guys want to get gamed on Madden and Call of Duty. And
can I be in the video?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
He just wanted to say hi. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked today's video, and go watch this part 2 video that's coming to you guys here shortly as we build the game setup and get all into this, because what everybody's telling me, it's a whole another alien world and I have no idea what I'm doing, but my boys are here to help me do that, so we're gonna go ahead and set that up. So part video 2 coming you guys away.